Here we go, sports fans. Time for another one of Ross's challenges. I have to say I'm absolutely shitting myself about this one. I'm a little bit nervous. So what we're going to do is big ass spoonful of baking powder, and then we're going to finish it off with a shot of a very fine. No, it's not anything nice. It's just vinegar. So. Here we go. Oh my fucking god.
What a big heap spoon of that, mate.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Nice to know you're on my side. 3, 2.
Get near the sink.
I'm gonna go over the sink, guys, just in case. 3, 2.
Baking powder first, and then.
Yes, I know the procedure, mate. 1. Oh, 3, we're on 3, aren't we? I'm sort of stalling a little bit here.
3, 2, 1.
That is fucking horrible. That is fucking nasty.
You with us, son?
Still there, man. Fuck me.
What I like.
And that is definitely the hardest challenge so fucking hard.